Hello, this is Debbie the Brown Fairy for BrownFairy Creations. I'm coming to you today with another quick tutorial on how to complete this Iron Man peaker. I do sell this design in my Etsy shop at BrownFairy Creations. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, this is a new channel, so if you could like and subscribe, I would appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with our first placement stitch. Okay, so I have my red felt on top. Okay, so this is what you should see thus far. We just got the red of the helmet cut out. And now we're going to do the placement stitch for the yellow portion of the helmet. Okay, and now we're going to cut away the excess vinyl. Okay, so this is what we have this far. So we have the red of the helmet and the gold of the helmet completed. And now we're going to move on to the eyes. Okay, and cut away the excess. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, we're moving on to the satin stitches around the red part of the helmet. And I'm going to add the water-soluble stabilizer at this point. Okay, and that's it. He is done. So let me rip off the water-soluble stabilizer and I will come back to show you the final result. Okay, so here he is, all finished and done. As you can see, I pulled off the water-soluble stabilizer and the top protective coating of the glitter vinyl. Okay, and so here he is, all sparkly and shiny. So if you're interested in this design, I do sell it in my Etsy shop at BrownFairy Creations, all one word. I'll leave the link in the description below. And once again, thank you so much for watching my video. This is a new channel, so if you can like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you soon.